Welcome to Always Dolls. This is Sarah, and I'm glad you've joined me for a new DIY. Today, we're making our dolls a healthy lunch. On the menu, we have an avocado and cranberry sauce open sandwich, creamy goat's cheese with fig puree, honey glazed ham with melted cheese, and a classic banana slices on bread. There's lots for the dolls to share, so let's get making. First, let's recreate the avocado and cranberry sandwich seen in Blair Wilson's Farmhouse restaurant. It measures just over 4 centimetres in length, 3 centimetres in height, and is about 5 millimetres in depth. For the bread slice, we are using a kitchen sponge. Draw an arched shape starting at the flat edge of the sponge. This way, the bottom of the bread slice will be flat. Now, make a mixture of light yellow and white paint with clear school glue. You're aiming for a super light cream shade, and there should be enough glue that the paint has a thick consistency. Generously coat the sponge all over, really working the mixture into the holes in the sponge. Once the base coat has dried, come back and give the bread slice a second layer of paint. For the bread crust, we are using raw sienna brown paint. When the paint and glue has dried, the sponge will harden, making perfect bread slices. Now let's make the toppings. We'll make the avocado slice from thick fun foam. You can keep it simple and use green fun foam, or step it up and mix a mid-green and yellow paint to create a more authentic avocado flesh colour. Next, in pencil, lightly sketch the avocado slice, which to me looks like a question mark just without the dot. When you're happy with it, cut out the shape. Using a dark green, paint the outside edge for the avocado skin. For a quick cranberry sauce, we are using a deep red puffy paint. Apply it directly to the bread slice, taking the product all the way out to the edges. Whilst the paint is still wet, carefully position your avocado slice. Push it gently into the puffy paint so the piece will set securely. Here we have a side-by-side with AG's piece on the right and our DIY one on the left. When you read the Farmhouse restaurant menu, you'll see a fig tapenade on goat's cheese crostini that never made it into the set. So let's make it as one of our open sandwiches. Take cream puffy paint and apply it all over the bread slice for the goat's cheese. Before the puffy paint sets, make a dip in the centre. Then set it aside to completely dry and harden. While waiting, we can prepare the fig puree. Cut tiny squares of tan and red fun foam. Then mix them with a combination of red and purple puffy paint. Spoon this mixture into the divot we created earlier. Then sprinkle over a herb garnish, which is just teeny tiny slithers of green cardstock. Perfect! Now the dolls have another appetizer to try. We can make slices of honey glazed ham the same way we did in our summer picnic foods video. Only this time we used a larger circle punch so our ham slices would be bigger. Glue the slice to the bread, then add the melted cheese by using hot glue. Before the hot glue cools, you can add in small pieces of faux plant as garnish. Once the hot glue has set, take a yellow marker and colour over the clear glue so it looks like the colour of cheese. These open sandwiches look so delicious and tempting. Our next idea keeps it super simple. Paint thin fun foam a light yellow, then cut out or punch small circles. To help them look more like banana slices, gently stretch the fun foam into an oval shape. With a brown pen, make an X at the center of each slice. Then add 4 little dots as seen on screen. We used liquid glue to adhere the slices to our bread, being sure to add more liquid glue if the pieces lay over each other. When everything has set and dried, you have a perfect doll-sized banana sandwich. If you enjoyed this DIY, be sure to check our food craft playlist. Be it breakfast, lunch, dinner, or dessert, we'll have something for every doll. Thanks for watching and see you soon for more miniature crafting fun.